Hi, I'm Dee, and I've got a fun Christmas craft for you today. It's a paper house that you can color and assemble in just a couple of steps. So let's get started and learn how to make a paper Christmas house. To get started, you'll need the following craft supplies: the house's template printed on your choice of paper, a pair of scissors, some glue. I'll be using a glue stick. Last but not least, you'll need your favorite coloring supplies such as colored pencils or alcohol markers, whatever you like to use. The house's template is available for free on my website. I've put the link in the description of this video. Just download the file and then you can print it. Here's what the template looks like. These are the walls, and this is the roof. These little flaps are the tabs that we'll be using when we glue everything together. The house looks a bit blank, so let's color it in. I made my house blue, but of course you can color your house any color you want. Have fun with it. Next, carefully cut out the house and the roof. Now that everything is cut out, it's time to fold each of the walls so the house can become 3D. You'll need to fold the flaps also. Now get your glue and glue the house together. Do this by gluing this wall flap to the opposite wall. The glue stick I'm using is Elmer's Disappearing Purple. The color will disappear when it dries. After that, it's time to glue on the roof. Fold the roof in half so you have a roof peak. Now glue it onto the walls of the house. This part can get a little tricky. I like to apply some glue directly to one half of the roof. Turn the house upside down and line up the house on the roof. Since the house is a little small, I use the back end of a paintbrush to push the tabs against the roof. Next, I flip over the house and put glue on the other side of the roof. Then I glue that side of the roof to the house. And there you go, a little Christmas house. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have fun creating.